Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Chef Carl from Cooking and Grilling with Carl. In today's video, I'm going to be making for you pasta Alfredo with chicken and crispy bacon right after this. Alright, so let me show you all the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. I also chopped up some smoked bacon, some thick cut smoked bacon, and I also seasoned up some chicken breasts, threw them in the oven, and then I sliced them into strips. Alright, so right now I'm going into a hot pan with my chopped up bacon. Alright, so my bacon is cooked and nice and crispy. So I'm just going to remove that from the pan, put it on a paper towel to drain in a bowl. Now I'm going to remove some of that bacon grease out of the pan. I'm actually going to save it. You know, I use it for things like green beans and other things. So into the hot pan, with those little bits of bacon and everything that was left over in the pan, I went in with some onions and minced garlic. Now I'm going in with some crushed red pepper flakes. And just going to saute everything until it comes together. Now I'm going in with about 4 cups of heavy cream. And now I'm cooking my pasta. I'm using rigatoni. Alright, so now that my heavy cream has came to a boil, I'm going in with some parmesan cheese, about a whole cup. And I'm going to let that cook and start thickening up. Alright, as you can see, it's starting to thicken up a little bit. So right here, I'm just going in with some sea salt, a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper. And then you want to continue to stir it so that cheese doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Just going with a few more crushed red pepper flakes, and now I'm going in with that sliced up chicken breast and about 6 tablespoons of butter. Alright, so I'm going to blend in those chicken breasts. I'm going to blend in that butter. That butter is going to add nice flavor to that Alfredo. And I know this isn't a traditional Alfredo, but this is the way I like to make it. It always comes out, you know, tasting delicious. And if you make it like this, I'm sure you're going to like it. But this is not the traditional way to make Alfredo. Yeah, and the only reason I took the time to say this isn't traditional because, you know, I know somebody gonna, you know, get in the comments and be like, oh, you know, this isn't traditional Alfredo, and I know that, but it is close and it is delicious. I've done this for many catering events and I always got good compliments. All right, and it's nice and creamy. All right, so just giving it a taste. All right, so my pasta is pretty much ready. So I'm gonna put my pasta in a bowl, and now I'm going in with that Alfredo sauce with the chicken mixed in. And I'm going to give that a nice mix, nice stir. Make sure all the pasta, the chicken, and everything is all blended together. Alright, so the pasta Alfredo is done. I'm just going to do a quick plate up. This would be a great recipe or a great dish for when you have company coming over. It feeds a lot for not a lot of money. All right. and I'm going to top it with that crispy bacon. I'm not going to mix it in because I want to keep the bacon nice and crispy. But on that note, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, give a thumbs up and leave a comment. Also, you can catch me on social media at Cooking and Grilling with Carl. I'll catch you on the next video. God bless. Peace.